This Duxtop LCD portable double induction cooktop is designed for cooks who value speed, precision, and safety without committing to a permanent kitchen installation. As modern kitchens become more flexible and space-conscious, induction cooking has moved from professional kitchens into everyday homes. This double induction cooktop stands out by offering two independently controlled heating zones, precise digital controls, and a sleek, portable form that adapts to a wide range of cooking environments. At its core, this Duxtop induction cooktop delivers efficiency that traditional gas and electric burners struggle to match. Induction technology heats cookware directly rather than warming the surface first, which results in faster cooking times, better energy efficiency, and cooler surrounding surfaces. This makes it especially appealing for apartment kitchens, RVs, dorm rooms, outdoor setups, and anyone who wants a reliable extra cooking station without heat waste. The dual heating zones are a defining feature. Each zone operates independently, allowing users to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously with complete control. Whether simmering a sauce on one side while boiling water on the other, the cooktop handles multitasking with ease. The bright LCD display provides clear, real-time feedback for both zones, eliminating guesswork and making temperature adjustments precise and intuitive. Ease of use is another strong point. The sensor touch control panel responds quickly and is laid out in a logical, user-friendly manner. Even users new to induction cooking will find the interface approachable. The ability to switch between power mode and temperature mode adds versatility that suits different cooking styles. Power mode excels at rapid boiling, warming, and quick heat delivery, while temperature mode offers controlled, consistent heat for frying, steaming, sautéing, and delicate preparations. With 20 preset levels in each mode, the Duxtop cooktop offers a wide spectrum of control that rivals built-in induction ranges. This level of customization allows cooks to fine-tune their results, whether preparing fragile sauces or searing proteins at higher temperatures. The cooktop maintains stable heat levels, which is especially valuable for recipes that depend on consistency rather than fluctuating temperatures. Safety is a major advantage of induction cooking, and Duxtop reinforces this with several built-in protections. The child safety lock helps prevent accidental activation, making it a smart choice for households with children. The unit also includes low and high voltage warnings, ensuring reliable operation and protecting the appliance from electrical irregularities. Because induction heats only compatible cookware, the surface remains significantly cooler than traditional burners, reducing the risk of burns. Portability is another key benefit. Despite its professional-grade performance, the cooktop is lightweight and easy to move. This makes it ideal for temporary cooking setups, outdoor gatherings, catering events, or supplemental use during holidays when extra burners are needed. Its modern, attractive design allows it to blend seamlessly into most kitchen aesthetics without looking utilitarian or out of place. It is important to note that induction cooking requires magnetic bottom cookware with a minimum diameter of 5 inches. While this may require some users to upgrade or adjust their cookware collection, the payoff is faster heating, improved efficiency, and greater control. Once compatible cookware is in use, the benefits become immediately apparent. In everyday use, the Duxtop double induction cooktop proves reliable and efficient. Water reaches a boil quickly, sautéing remains even and controlled, and temperature adjustments respond almost instantly. Unlike traditional burners, there is minimal residual heat, making cleanup faster and safer. A quick wipe is often all that is needed once cooking is complete. From a value perspective, this cooktop serves both casual home cooks and serious culinary enthusiasts. It functions equally well as a primary cooking surface in compact living spaces or as a secondary appliance for expanded capacity. The balance of performance, safety, and portability makes it a strong investment for modern cooking needs. Key features and benefits: dual independent heating zones for simultaneous cooking, advanced induction technology for faster, energy-efficient heating, LCD digital display with responsive touch controls, power mode and temperature mode with 20 preset levels each, child safety lock and built-in electrical protections, lightweight, portable design for indoor and outdoor use. Pros and cons. Pros: fast, efficient induction heating, independent control for 2 cooking zones, excellent temperature precision and consistency. Safer operation with cool-to-touch surface. Portable design suitable for many environments. Cons: requires magnetic induction-compatible cookware. No physical knobs for users who prefer tactile controls. Limited maximum pan size compared to full cooktops. Final thoughts. The Duxtop LCD Portable Double Induction Cooktop is a smart solution for anyone seeking precision cooking in a flexible, space-saving format. Its dual-zone control, advanced safety features, and rapid heating performance make it suitable for everyday cooking as well as specialized use cases. Whether upgrading a small kitchen or adding extra cooking power, this cooktop delivers consistent results with modern convenience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and explore how this induction cooktop fits your cooking setup. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.